All right, so the last of the type of renovations is what we call the full gut. I'm sure you've heard of it. This is when you take a structure and you take it back down to the studs. So literally the only thing you have left is your foundation, you have your stud walls, you have your roof, at least your roof framing, your roof may or may not be there, and even your exterior siding may or may not be there. You are literally taking the structure back to the bare bones, so to speak, and putting it back together again. This is absolutely going to be a permitted project. This is the most costly. It is the most time consuming because you're essentially rebuilding a house more or less. And you want to have some very skilled people when you're doing this. There's a ton of attention to detail that goes into it. And usually you'll be bringing, whenever you do this, you'll be bringing the project up to current code standards. So expect that whatever was there, even if it did work, it's going to be held to a higher standard when you're moving forward with something new like this. These can be very profitable deals, but they can also be very stressful deals. So just keep that in mind, but the full gut sometimes is going to be the way to go, in particular with older properties or properties that have had excessive fire damage, excessive mold damage. Sometimes mold remediation is simply not going to cut it. You just need to just get rid of it all and go and put it back together. So there's plenty of them out there to be done. Just know when you get in, budget conservatively, give yourself lots of time, and they can be very successful for you. Thank you.